Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use DoorDash credits. First, open the DoorDash app or website and tap Account. Under Account Settings, tap Payment and you'll see DoorDash credits. Here, you can check your current credit balance. Credits are automatically applied to your next eligible order, so there's nothing extra you need to do. You can also redeem gift cards in the same section to add more credits. Credits from refunds, promotions, or rewards will reduce your total at checkout, covering food, fees, and even tips. And that's it. You've successfully used your DoorDash credits. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.